Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Living the Dream. A little bit different trip for us this time. We're heading up to Milton, Florida for the Splash RV and Water Park. First stop, Dunkin' Donuts. So the trip up was uneventful, short drive, about 6 hours up US 19 from Florida and then I-10 westbound to exit 31. The park's conveniently located right off the interstate, a couple of gas stations in front. Maybe not too easy to get in and out of if you're towing something really long, but it looks like it's possible. There is a Piggly Wiggly supermarket just north of the park, walking distance if you're in really good shape, biking distance if you're not, and car distance if you're really, really not. Pay attention to that interstate traffic in the foreground because there are some sites that are right along the interstate. So if you're not a fan of traffic noise while you're trying to sleep or socialize, look before you book. Check-in procedure was pretty easy. They're going to give you an escort to your site. Roadway is nice and wide. The sites are nice and level, easy access to the hookups, and not too bad of an issue if you're towing with getting in and out of your site. So pretty decent. Pricing, a little up there, folks, somewhere between $100 and $200. We did get a first responder discount because of the holiday. And this is a kids resort, which we weren't aware of before we booked it. Cancellation procedure is a reschedule only. They will not refund your money. They will reschedule you once at no charge. So pay attention to those hidden rules. And good grief, this is really a water splash park. I mean, golf cart rentals, bicycles and scooters,
and
running
millions
around.
Of children.
Yeah, lots of kids. So really cool. But they did a good job with separating the kids things from the adult things.
Yes. They had the, what did you call it? The lazy river.
Yeah, lazy river.
And then they had this little brigade thing where the bucket empties onto you. They had a regular pool, but then they had an adult pool only that was heated. And there was supposedly curfews. I don't remember the age when I read it.
Doesn't
I want
matter.
to say it was
We
10
didn't
or
see
12.
any of it.
After a certain time, kids were supposed to be with adults, and there were kids all over the place,
Yeah.
even as late as 10 o'clock at night.
We think this is where most of the adults probably wanted to spend time at
I
that
didn't
tiki
get
bar.
to spend much time there, unfortunately.
So one of the things that we thought was a little bit of a concern, if you don't have a toad available or some type of transportation, it was the store. The campground store really seemed like it lacked essential stuff like milk, bread,
Yeah, it
water.
didn't have anything like that. It had a lot of souvenir-y kind of stuff. It had a lot of s'more stuff it had these funky, puffy candy. I'm not even sure what it really
So
was.
more like a store that would be like in a beach town, like along the ocean or something, right?
They did have some amenities for your RV, as you see in the picture, but there really wasn't anything there. Even if you, like, I went in there for orange juice. I don't even think I could find orange juice in there.
So if you ran out, you're heading
Yeah,
off
you're
to
heading-
Piggly Wiggly.
Piggly Wiggly, a couple miles down the road.
So all in all, Splash RV and Water Park was a good time, right? Any chance we get to take off with the kiddie crew and our friends is always good. But we didn't get a chance to do a lot of the adult stuff because of the rain.
Yeah, but they did. Now I forgot about this. They did have a portable bar.
Oh, they did have
They
a
would
portable
they
bar.
would come around and they would text you
Yeah.
anything that was going on. You'd get a text about, which is kind of cool.
I
But
thought
they
these
had-
were these covered wagon campers were pretty cool, but you're focusing on
yeah,
the bar,
I am.
the mobile bar. Yeah,
For kids, I mean, it's got little bunk beds in there. I mean, if I was a kid, I'd love those.
yeah, or the mobile bar.
Or the mobile bar. I really
Yeah.
like the mobile bar.
Well, anyway, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is Splash RV and Water Park in Milton, Florida. If you like the channel, please subscribe, leave us a comment, let us know what you'd like to do. We got some fun stuff coming up in the near future, heading up to Ho-Hum RV Park in Carabel, Florida, and then some big stuff coming up in 2025. Also, feel free to jump over to our Facebook page and like that. It's Living the Dream YouTube. That's the name of the page. It's a public group. Until then, keep living the dream, and we'll talk to you soon.
Ciao.